For all your diet conscious people, today I have a wonderful recipe for you guys. They say you are what you eat. It's very important to eat healthy in order to look and stay healthy. Daliya or broken wheat, as many people call it, is a rich source of protein. Its high fiber content aids in weight loss. Namaste. Welcome to Desi Videshi. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to prepare fat-free Daliya Pulao. For starters, you will need Daliya and Moong Dal. You can take varieties of vegetables. As for me, I have selected few vegetables of my choice, which are all finely chopped. Here we have peas, carrot, beans, onion and cauliflower. Leaving behind onion, you need to half boil the remaining vegetables. Add 1 cup of water to it with a pinch of salt so that it doesn't leave its color. Then you can either microwave it for 2 minutes or put it on stove for 3 to 4 minutes on medium-high flame. Then sieve it gently or let it cool. In a pressure cooker, add half cup Daliya and half tablespoon of Moong Dal. Saute it on dry heat till it stops sticking to your spatula. Now you can see your Daliya has stopped sticking to your spatula. You can now add 1 cup of water to it, stir it and let it boil till 2 whistles. Meanwhile, in a pan, take 2 teaspoons of olive oil and heat it. Now add curry leaves to it, followed by minced onion. Saute it till the color changes to golden brown. You can now add the boiled vegetables to it, 1/4 teaspoon of salt with a pinch of black pepper. Mix it well and then you need to saute it for around 4 to 5 minutes. You don't have to saute it for long as the vegetables are already half boiled. Now since your Daliya is already boiled, you can empty the content of the pressure cooker in the pan. Now mix it well and stir it gently. You can then just leave it on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Hooray! Your Daliya Pulao is now ready. You can garnish it with finely chopped coriander leaves. Serve it hot. Because this recipe is almost oil-free, it is healthy. It increases your body metabolism rate as well. So people, try out this diet-friendly recipe of Daliya Pulao and let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Please press the bell icon for recent updates. Stay tuned for finest recipes. Have a healthier day ahead. Take care and thank you.